Hey, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make passive income with affiliate marketing. That means by recommending digital or physical products that already exist in the marketplace for your target audience. Since starting my online business in 2008, I've generated over $3 million in earnings specifically through affiliate marketing by picking products that I use or know will be very helpful for my audience, sharing affiliate links, and making money. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. I'm also going to take you into the back-end reporting system to show you how many sales I've made for a very specific product, and then I'm going to show you how I promote that product so you can follow suit and accomplish the same thing. So stick around, we're going to make some money. Okay, so I'm going to show you a 5-step process in order to walk you through this. And it starts with, number 1, selecting the right product. Now, you can promote a lot of different things. I would focus on just one product to start with to kind of get your wheels going. And where I would start is asking yourself, okay, well, what's one of the first things that a person who you are trying to teach needs? So if you are helping people build a website, you might want to recommend a hosting company. And I do the same thing. I recommend a hosting company. Another thing I teach is podcasting. So a podcaster, for example, what's one of the first things they need in order to get their podcast up and running? Well, they need a microphone, right? So I'm going to show you all the details about this microphone here and how I promote it. And we're just going to focus on this product for now. This is the Audio-Technica ATR 2100, one of my favorite microphones because it plugs in via USB. I talk all about these things as I'm selling this. And kind of the approach that you want to take is, even though this isn't your own product, you want to treat it as if it's your own. You want to share all the things about it so a person is going to be comfortable with making that purchase. Because the big struggle with affiliate marketing is this. Because it's not your product, you have to gain and earn that trust a little bit. This is especially important when you are promoting other people's online courses, for example. You need to build that trust because it's not your course. But let's keep talking about this microphone. Actually, I want to take you in the other room because the second step after you select the product to promote is getting that affiliate link. Now, with products like this, it's fairly simple because you can just go on Amazon and sign up for the Amazon Associates program, which is their affiliate program. And from there, you can grab a link, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment on the computer. But other times, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to find the link. So what I would recommend is, first of all, understand that sometimes affiliate programs are also known as referral programs or partnership programs. So if you can't find something on a website that says affiliate link, look for partnership program or referral program. That can be your way in to sign up and apply to get into that program. Now, sometimes you might dig and dig and dig and not find any affiliate opportunities at all, in which case I would do one of two things. Number 1, reach out to that company, tell them that you want to promote it as an affiliate or a partner, and likely there are opportunities available to you that are just not to the public. So this happened to me one time when I promoted a lead exam prep online test simulator for my architecture website back in the day. They didn't have a public affiliate program, but when I reached out, they said, oh yeah, we have one. It's just for people who we invite only, but since you asked us, we're going to let you in. And that program specifically has generated over $200,000 in earnings just from simply recommending it to my exam students there. Now, if you reach out and they say they don't have an affiliate program, you can kind of work with them to set one up, and sometimes that's possible. I've done that before. Although most of the time, they're just not going to have the resources to create it. They're not even going to know how to do it, in which case you have the option to move on to the next product or still recommend it. And I would actually go with the latter. Because you know it's a helpful product, and hopefully that's why you selected it, you should still recommend it anyway, even though you're not going to get a kickback or commission as a result, because you are there to first and foremost serve your audience. You should still recommend it anyway, and then move on to the next product. Some products may have an affiliate program tied to them, some maybe not, but if you're completely helpful to your audience, you will get rewarded in some way, shape, or form down the road. Okay, so for right now, I'm going to show you how to grab a link for something like this, and then I'm going to show you how I promote it. So let's go into the computer. Okay, so here we are in the reporting section of my Amazon Associates program, which, like I said, is their affiliate program. And we are looking at the data from the first of the year till now, so about the first quarter. And if I scroll down here, you can see that the product, the Audio-Technica ATR 2100, it's been clicked on 780 times, it's been shipped 118 times, and then produced $8,000 essentially in revenue. Now, that's not the take-home income. Take-home income from the Amazon Associates program is typically anywhere between 4 and 8%, depending on volume. I take home for this product in the first quarter of this year $469.63. And that's really cool because I recommend this product anyway, and so I'm able to passively generate this income through the posts that I create, through the tutorials that I create, through random videos that I'll show you all that stuff in just a second. So I'm gonna show you how to easily grab a link now. So what's really cool is when you sign up for the Amazon Associates program, they're gonna give you this thing called a site stripe. I would absolutely recommend enabling that if it's not enabled already. And that makes it so that you can come to any page, for example, like this product here, and click on text, and it gives you an affiliate link. All right, so you got your link, now you're ready for step 3. Now before you start promoting this, the number one thing that I would recommend, and this has been a game changer for me in affiliate marketing, is to create a video to support this product. Again, this is a product that is not yours. You're gonna have to show people what they're gonna get before they get it. That's gonna make them feel comfortable with the purchase. And with something like a physical product, shooting a video like this one here, it could be literally a review of that product, or you can compare it to other products that are very similar. Like in this video here, we compare the ATR 2100 with a Samson mic and also a blue snowball. This one becomes very valuable because not just it gives people more information, but it can also be found in search engines like Google and also on YouTube. So you're gonna get a lot of longevity as a result of this. And of course, if you place your affiliate link in the description, well, then it's an opportunity every single view to earn an additional income. Okay, step 4, now that you have your affiliate link, now that you have a video to support it as well, which should always be mentioned in and around the spots where you mention it on your website, because again, people want to see what they're going to get before they get it. Now you promote that affiliate link. So how do you do that? Well, I'm going to go through a number of examples where specifically this microphone is promoted all throughout my brand, and you'll see it's not just in one spot, it's in multiple spots. So let me take you into the blog, into a blog post first. So this is the blog post here, top 10 tips for brand new podcasters. And if I just do a search for ATR, you'll see over here where I talk about a lot of people, they kind of get worried about the equipment and want to get the best, most expensive stuff. Well, I talk about here how, wow, you only need an $80 microphone to make it happen. And as you can see here, the link is right there with a full disclosure. I'll talk about that really important point in, at the end here, something you'll definitely not want to miss. But again, a picture of me using the microphone. This makes a person who just has no idea what equipment to get. If they see this, I provide value, and they're like, oh, well, Pat uses this microphone. Maybe I should check it out too. And again, like I said, they're going to be more likely to go through that link. So insert links into blog posts. And just keep in mind that you have this as a resource that you can always mention when that topic of, for example, in this one, podcasting comes up. So that's blog posts. What else? Well, what if you were to do, instead of just like a top tips blog post, you know, the kind of standard list post type stuff, what if you did an in-depth tutorial on literally just how to go from beginning to end with starting a podcast? This becomes a really valuable resource where it just so happens that your affiliate link for that one specific product is just a small micro recommendation in the whole larger scheme of what it is that you're teaching. So let me give you an example of that here in the podcasting space. So for example, I have a very, very in-depth how to start a podcast tutorial. And if you scroll all the way down, you'll see that it goes over everything you need to know, examples of how I've succeeded with my podcast, other things you need to worry about. But if you go all the way down here, you'll see that there are a number of tutorial videos, very much like a course, except this is for free. Now, if I click on this video, you'll see for number 1, where I talk about equipment, boom, there is the microphone right there, buy on Amazon, the disclosure, and of course I talk about it in this specific video as well. So instead of just a small blog post, why not a longer tutorial, which is likely going to get shared more, be a lot more valuable to your audience, something that you can include in your autoresponder to make it, again, more automated and passive. Again, every time a person comes across this tutorial is an opportunity for them to get involved with the microphone or whatever it is you're recommending. And of course, along with the microphone, there are other parts to it, like the boom stand and the foam ball or the shock mount and other elements that can go along with it. So if you can give people the whole package, I mean, you're set and you're delivering a lot of value at the same time too. Now, in addition to blog posts, you can include links in, for example, your lead magnets. So a lead magnet that I have can be found at howtostartapodcast.com. That's a free 3-day mini course to get your podcast up and running. And in the first day, you'll see here, day 1 links and resources. You'll see the microphone, ATR 2100. Boom, another instance of the link. So no matter how people are consuming this content related to podcasting, they are going to see this link in some way, shape, or form. So what I would recommend is think of all the different paths that people can enter what it is that you're teaching. How might they come across that link? If there are any holes or opportunities for them to not see it, well, then something's missing and you need to add it in there. So you can include it in your lead magnets as well. All right, next, because this product performs very well and podcasting is a hot topic right now, I've created more videos that, again, support not just the idea of podcasting and the podcasters who are getting started, but this microphone as well. So in this example, top podcasting tips, tools for recording, interviewing, and exporting. I also recommend the ATR 2100 in there as well. And then finally, if you have any paid courses, for example, online courses where you teach something, so like I have Power Up Podcasting, which teaches people podcasting. In lesson 2 here, you'll see it's recommending podcasting equipment. And there it is again, the ATR 2100. And down here, an affiliate link for that as well within my paid course. And what's really cool is because they're a paid student of yours, they're going to follow your directions and recommendations. And if you just simply include an affiliate link in there too, there's no shame in that. As long as, again, you're honest and upfront with that, which brings me to 2 really important things I want to share with you related to affiliate marketing before we finish up. So, I'm kind of going off tangent here a little bit, but the first of these 2 really important things I want to share with you, because I need to tell you, is number 1, especially if you're living in the United States and recommending products as an affiliate, because of FTC regulations, you have to be upfront about that affiliate relationship. You have to disclose that you are going to earn a commission, that when you recommend this product, you are getting paid as a result. Now, a lot of you might be like, oh, that's a deal breaker for me. Like, why would I do that? Well, I've actually found that by being honest and upfront, you're actually going to find people are going to want to make sure they help you out and go through that link, because that's a quick and easy way for them to pay you back for all the value you are providing to them. And what's really cool is it's at no extra cost to them to go through that link and send a little bit of money your way. It's just coming from the company that you're recommending. So by being fully upfront, you are following the rules and also making it more likely that a person's going to want to help you out too. And if you just always have that, serve first attitude, you really can't lose. And along the same lines, number 2, this is really important. Again, I want to reiterate, selecting the right products to promote, because once you start to see some income coming in, it can be very tempting to just find now products that are going to give you loads of commission. There are products out there, especially in the digital world, in software, that will pay you, 50% commission, 75% commission, and on a recurring basis even. And that can be very tempting to promote. But if you take the approach of money first and not helping people first, you're running the risk of, yes, potentially recommending a product that doesn't provide a good experience for your audience, which is bad, right? And they're going to be upset at that product and that product owner, which is, going to happen. But what's even worse is they're also going to be upset and never take your recommendations from you ever again. And that trust that you build with your audience is something that doesn't come overnight. And you need to treat that with care. Your audience is really what makes your business work. So making sure to always provide the best products and product recommendations for them is going to be key. And when you do that, everybody wins, right? You're recommending a great product that can actually help them. They're going to thank you for it. They're going to take more recommendations from you. They're going to share those recommendations that you've made with their friends. And more than that, the company that you have this relationship with, they're going to love you for it and might even give you special deals as a result of all the volume that you're producing. So again, making sure that you are always promoting the right products is key. So spend some time focusing on, okay, well, what will help my audience more than anything? Recommend those products and you can't lose, like I said. All right, so that was just a little side thing. But number 5, this is really cool. Once you start to see things working, first of all, hopefully make sure you're tracking to see, okay, where things are working, what recommendations are doing well, which ones are not. You can always change things down the road and add new things later. But once you got the system going for one product, just rinse and repeat with the next product. So find the second best product that you could promote and then recommend it in the same kind of way. And by placing these links on, for example, a resource page or within a tutorial that you have or on specific blog posts or videos, once you get those done, those become seeds that can create passive income for you down the road. And again, it's not your own product, but products that other people have created that the market is likely already buying anyway. So action item for you is to consider, okay, well, what's the next product that you should promote? What's the first step that your audience is taking in their journey related to whatever it is you're teaching them? Is there an affiliate program in and or around that particular product so that you can begin to start generating some income from that? And then you take it from there. So if you have to rewatch this video to go through the steps again, that's totally cool. But what I would recommend is if you haven't done so already, make sure you click the subscribe button below so you can get access to more videos that come out. We're going to be talking a lot more about affiliate marketing in the future, and this is seriously one of the most underutilized ways to generate an income online without the worry of spending the time to create and validate a product. You can just get right into it, but only if you do it the right way will it be successful for you. Now, before you leave, in the comment section below, I also want to hear from you and tell me what's the product that you're going to recommend and how are you going to promote it. I'd love to know if you're on the right path, and perhaps pick just one of these strategies to start out with for how you might promote it, or where on your website you might plant that seed, so that over time, as you get more and more followers, more and more traffic, it can really start to blossom really into some amazing passive income for you down the road. So let me know in the comment section below, what product are you going to promote and how are you going to promote it, and I'm looking forward to reading it. So good luck, wishing you all the best, and make sure you hit subscribe below. Thanks again.